Welcome to this tutorial on adding additional attributes to a master data type in SAP IBP. If you want to use the newly added attribute in a planning area or in a master data type that builds upon the one you changed, you must select it explicitly for the planning area or the master data type. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add additional attributes to a master data type. We'll walk you through the process step by step in the Master Data Types app. Section 1. Accessing the Master Data Types app and initiating the process. Step 1. Enter the Master Data Type ID or name you wish to change in the search field. For example, the Master Data Type ID could be IBP. Step 2. Click the search icon. Step 3. Locate the IBP Master Data Type and select the checkbox on the left. Step 4. Click the Edit button to begin editing. Section 2. Adding additional attributes. Step 1. On the Edit Master Data Type screen, click the Add button. Step 2. Enter the attribute ID or name you want to add in the search field. For example, the attribute ID could be IBP. Step 3. Click the search icon. Step 4. Locate the IBP attribute and select the checkbox on the left. You can add as many additional attributes as needed. Step 5. After adding the attributes, click the Select button. Step 6. Review all fields and then click the Save button to finalize. To summarize, adding additional attributes to a master data type in SAP IBP involves accessing the Master Data Types app, adding the desired attributes, and saving the changes. If master data records already exist for the master data type you updated, the existing records will have empty values for the new attribute. You can choose to upload the master data again, enriched with a new attribute. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.